Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. I've been soul searching lately and pondering the question, do I need an AR-15? You know, I've been watching the mainstream media, other intelligent people like our politicians, and even Hollywood celebrities are telling me that I don't need this gun. Like, this gun serves no other purpose than for killing people. They're saying that's what this gun was made for. So why do you need it? And I started thinking about this. You know, I don't want to shoot anybody. I've never shot anybody. I don't want to kill anybody. I don't want to be in that situation where I feel like I have to grab my AR-15 and shoot people. You know, that's not what I'm all about. I don't want that to happen. I started thinking, do I need that? Probably not, because I've got a Ruger Mini 14. Now, the Ruger Mini 14 also shoots 5.56. Some of the models don't, but this one does. And what's interesting is it has this piece up here. Now, this piece up here takes the rounds as they're fed into here and fires out and exits through here. And what it allows the bullet to do is change directions. So as you fire the rifle, I can then quickly move these dials and the bullet can go either off to the right or the left, depending on what dial I turn. It's pretty incredible. So if your target is 200 yards downrange off to the right, I can shoot straight ahead and then move this dial, turn it, and it will make contact with the target. And I started thinking, you know, am I really going to shoot 200 yards and then move the bullet to the right or the left? I don't know, you know. So the question is, do I need a Ruger Mini 14? And, you know, probably not, because I've got an AR pistol. Now, this AR pistol is chambered in 7.62 by 39, but this is a ghost gun. This has the ability to camouflage itself to the same look as its background. So if I set this down, it's like a lizard. I could come back 20 seconds later and I won't be able to find it. And it's a ghost gun that has the ability to fire 486 rounds through a 30 caliber clip in a half a second. 486 rounds? I mean, that is some serious firepower that I might like set it down and not be able to find it. It could get in the wrong hands and put me in a terrible situation. And I don't know, having a ghost gun is, it's just not something that I think is real necessary, because I've got a VZ58. Now, the VZ58 is a Czechoslovakian rifle that is rather scary if you look at it. It's different than an AK-47 because it's got a short gas system and it's a hammer-fired rifle, but look at that. That just looks scary. Look at that. I mean, this is scary. Like, it kind of reminds me of a terrorist. Like, when I'm holding this, I feel like a terrorist, and I don't want to feel like a terrorist. Matter of fact, I don't want anything to do with that. So I started asking myself, you know, do I need that VZ58? And the answer is probably not, because I've got an AK-47. Now, this is a Zastava M70 AB2. Now, what makes this interesting, it's also 7.62 by 39. But see this piece here? Check this out. All you have to do is straighten that out, hit this button, and this could chop off somebody's leg. Just like you put their leg in there and it just chops it off. That's what this rifle was made for. So I was thinking, you know, I don't really want to chop off anybody's leg. You know, that's not what I'm all about. Somebody comes into my house, I'm not going to undo that thing and run after their leg to try to chop it off with the AK-47. So do I need that? I don't know. Maybe not. Mainly because I've got an AK-308. Now, the 308 is an interesting round. It has the capacity to penetrate 6 feet of solid steel. I mean, 6 feet of solid steel. It's crazy, you know, and I've started thinking, am I ever going to shoot through 6 feet of solid steel? Probably not. So the question is, you know, do I need these rifles? You know, are these people right and I'm wrong? I don't think so. On second thought, I'm going to keep them all.